all the devotees, Sri Rupa Goswami composed these slokas and in Mangalacharan or the invocation verse in his unprecedented book named Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
Sri Rupa Goswami 喺佢呢本咧好出名嘅書咧叫做《愛來生不老之用》啊，嗰度咧嗰個吉祥嘅部分就寫咗呢首詩。
Which manifested from the treasury of the divine lotus of his heart.
咁咧其實咧呢啲係佢嘅神聖啊，個心靈個深處嗰度咧係即係話揭示咗出嚟嘅。
And Vishwanath Chakravarti also mentioned the same Mangalacharan in his book Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu.
咁Vishwanath Chakravarti咧，佢喺嗰個蓬萊來生甘露滋養嘅點滴嗰度咧，佢都喺佢嘅吉祥嘅道文嗰度係講咗呢啲。
Let there be all the glories to and omnipotent Lord Krishna Chandra, who is endowed with all the excellence and who is the personification of transcendental bliss.
佢話咧，所有榮耀咧歸於 Krishna 呢個超然嘅 Krishna， 佢咧係所有咧超然咧幸福嘅一個化身。
And chased by the 12 forms of rose.
即係有咧
12 roses in their rose.
佢咧係12種羅莎咧，都係咧喺 Krishna 身上嘅，5種係主要嘅，7種係次要嘅。
Understand?
呢啲越講越多㗎嘛，呢5種7種嗰度仲未解釋。
At the time, 12 mellows roses inside of Krishna.
咁咧係呢7種光係嗰啲知識咧，羅莎咧都話喺 Krishna 身上。
When Krishna entered in the arena of Kamsa, and that time 12 persons are there. According to their mellows, they also serve Krishna's different forms.
金沙嗰個高場嘅時候咧，其實有12種唔同嘅奉獻者都係咁，佢哋有呢12種情感。
He is one, but according to the vision, rasas of the devotees, they are looking Krishna different form and different melody.
因為咧每一個奉獻者有唔同嘅情感，所以佢哋見到 Krishna 呢一刻嘅時候咧，同佢嘅關係係唔同嘅。
In this material world, just we compare with the material things also.
即係好似好物質咁樣，我哋都有啲例子係可以嚟幫人哋幫。
Sister, wife,
即係好似屋企啊咁樣啲咧關係
sitting
啊。
together.
咁爸爸、媽媽咁樣，妻子啊或者兄弟姊妹啊。
But according to your relationship, you can see to the vision with all these.
咁當時你可能係即係話喺屋企之中嘅一個成員咁樣。但係你咧喺屋企嗰陣時咧係講咗啲咩説話嘅時候，你當時會咧係喺爸爸媽媽面前啊、妻子啊或者係兄弟姊妹面前咧係唔同嗰種感覺嘅時候，你就會覺唔到哦，原來我哋啲關係唔同，嗰個感覺都唔一樣，係咪？咁你媽媽嗰陣時就叫做父母關係。自然咧你就有感覺。
Conjugal mood coming.
咁如果你見到一眼望到爸爸媽媽就係父母之位，望到自己妻子丈夫咧就係。
Everybody can understand these types of melodies.
咁咧當時咧係你喺屋企係呢啲關係，但 Krishna 咧佢係同奉獻者都係有各種唔同嘅關係。
So in the same way, when Krishna entered in the arena of Kamsa,
所以Krishna 咧入咗金沙呢個咧屬高場嘅時候，
and that time 12 persons were sitting there.
佢咧係有12種唔同嘅奉
They
獻
saw
者
Krishna
坐，
different form.
即係個個人咧都唔同嘅情感。
Kamsa is thinking he is the embodiment of death. Mrityur bhojapate. Kamsa sitting there. Kamsa when saw to Krishna thinking, oh, he is completely embodiment of death, mrityu. He coming to me. And
佢咧而家就講話，金神見到佢咧就好似死神咁樣。
Gopis are there also. Gopis are the
無
conjugal
論姑
mood.
娘都喺度。
And those mood of Vatsalya, And
佢呢仲
some
有呢
ladies,
父
they
母
have
嗰啲愛都喺度。
love and affection Krishna, but they think Krishna is a small baby.
咁咧有啲咧父母咧就覺得哦，Krishna 係喎個細路仔啦嚟。
Sakhas are there also.
咁咧同埋啲
Friends
朋友
of
都喺
Krishna,
度
they，in Sakha.
啲沙卡即係啲木偶童都喺度，
And many kings are there also.
同埋好多啲國王
And
都喺
in
度。
the assembly house of Kamsa.
咁佢哋喺金薩嗰個地方咧
Prince
係
of
最。
Krishna is very powerful king.
咁佢哋咧係見到咧國王啊嘛，佢哋都係屬於係將軍嗰啲身份啊嘛，
So
董事
in this way,
所以見到
because
Krishna 好勁咯。
Krishna is one, but different vision, different rasa.
所以 Krishna 一個啦，但係個個人嘅情感咧去睇佢嗰陣時咧，個個都有唔同嘅嗰種知覺。
So in the same way, here also Upanishad explain Krishna is the embodiment of Meru, Rasa, Rasa, Vaisa, Jeva, Lapta, Mandir, Bhoti. And so, Ras, primary, what, how many types of Ras? 12. And 12 form of rasa, melodies. 5 primary rasas
所以而家開始解釋啦，5種
and
次要
7
7種
secondary.
次要嘅係。
And primary means that is called Mukha rasa. And Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsala
呢
and
啲係中立
Madhurya.
啊、僕人啊、朋友啊、父母啊、情侶之外，呢5種係有自願。
7 secondary rasa, that is called Gauna rasa.
咁咧，另外7種咧就叫做 Gaurana， 就係
And
次要
Being,
嘅。
Vivatsa, and Bhoy, Krodh, and this types of. That is called
呢啲係叫做
7 types of
憤怒
Gauna
啊、
rasa. Gauna means
害怕。
secondary.
咁呢啲係叫做次要嘅殺，即係叫做次要嘅光。
So by the radiance of all the limbs, which is spreading in all the directions,
我通過咧，其實咧，個個人對佢嘅唔同關係咧係有唔同嘅情感喺度。
he has brought under his control by the Yudhishthira or leaders of the various group of gopis.
咁咧，其實咧，佢咧，即係點都好，佢係俾呢一個木牛姑娘嘅女主人咧，最高嗰個女仔咧係控制到佢。
Krishna is very powerful. His radiance.
Krishna 好勁嘅，充滿光芒，係啊。
And he also controlled the Yudhishthira, who is called the leader of the various group of the gopis.
咁咧，其實咧，佢咧喺木牛姑娘面前咧，佢特別係嗰個木牛姑娘嘅領導人啦，即係叫做Swari 就表示女子人嘅時候，你控制住佢咧係控制佢控
Taraka
制
and
佢。
Pali. Taraka, that is called Vipaksha, and Pali is a Tadastha Paksha.
咁咧佢呢度有個咧係叫做 Vipaksha 就表示逆反㗎，咁咧 Tadastha Paksha 咧就係中立㗎，即係好似我。
Vipaksha means that is representing the rival groups.
咁咧佢哋都係叫做右翼或者係左翼，飛機有兩個翼啊嚇。
Or Pali
咁咧
is
係左翼
the
同右翼，右翼咧就表示順從
Tadastha
㗎。
Paksha, representative of the neutral group.
另外一種咧係叫做逆反㗎，逆反就係左翼嘅意思。
And he has made Samala. Samala is called Sweet Paksha.
咁咧好似
Representative of
Chatla
the
咧，佢哋係
friendly
情
group.
敵啦，所以係比較右翼嘅。
And Lolita Sapaksha, belonging to Srimati Radhika's own group.
咁咧香馬蘭咧佢係屬於中立啊，
And he is very
邊個朋友
important. And he is the most beloved of Srimati,
佢係好勁嘅，佢係拉達拉尼咧最好嘅女朋友嚟嘅。
and that is being under the control of Prema of Srimati Radhika.
咁咧佢哋咧都係因為咧拉曼嘅愛咧係控制到佢哋。
Krishna completely was controlled by
佢屬於
Prema
有
of
情
Srimati
啦
Radhika.，
即係都係自己一個組嗰度咯。
Though Krishna is supreme, no one
佢
can
Krishna 咧
control
就
him.
完全咧俾個左翼嘅嗰個木偶姑娘嘅情感咧
In
控制住。
Vaikuntha, Yudha, Dwaraka,
你喺
Mathura,
維昆達、阿標啲啊，
no one can completely control to him.
冇有任何人係可以控制到佢嘅。
But in Golok Vrindavan,
但喺嗰度交
Subal Sakabha, there is something controlled to
甚
Krishna.
至咧係嗰啲朋友仔啊、Super Sweetam 佢哋咧有時都會可以控制到 Krishna。
But in Mother Jasoda,
咁
she
你
controls
冇
to
位
Krishna.
啊，媽媽有時候佢完全就會控制到 Krishna 去幫佢，
She binds to Krishna with the rope.
佢用啲神去幫佢。
Eh? This is also, but not completely.
但係你都唔係完全可以控制到佢。
But gopis they control to Krishna
紅牛
with
姑
their
娘
love.
咧以無私同埋咧純潔嘅愛咧係控制
In
到
the
佢。
gopis two parts, two
Mga
parties,
kulong yun.
Chandravali parties and Srimati Radhika.
一個咧係唱咗你嘅小組，一個係拉迪嘅小組。
You want which party? You want Chandravali.
我話顧女哋點解中意我哋將嗰啲奉獻者講咧就講到拉斯加啦。
Chandravali, she controls to Krishna not completely.
所以你現在我哋都可以控制到 Krishna，但佢唔可以完全控制到佢。
So Chandravali, she is not perfect, a rival of Srimati Radhika.
你現在我哋都仲唔係完全嘅情敵啊！
Who is perfect rival of Srimati Radhika?
咁啦，但係呢，最基資格嘅敵人係邊個情敵？
Lalita Devi.
其實係啦，呢啲啲。
But Lalita Devi, she does not want to rival with Srimati Radhika.
其實啦，呢啲啲佢有品質咧，甚至可以調節啦，但係呢嗰種情感，但係咧佢唔想自己單獨同 Krishna。
For this regard, Jogmaya, she arranged Chandravali can rival with Srimati Radhika. Actually, Chandravali is not perfect rival of
現
Srimati
在我哋睇過順從啲情感啦，嗱呢度經常都係反而且要教訓佢哋兩個添嘛，非常嗱呢度教訓嘛。
Chandravali.
所以咧現在我哋而家係情敵，但係最基資格嘅情敵咧係嗱呢達咧唔想成為佢嘅情敵。
But Lalita, she has so much love and affection to Srimati Radhika. But
因為嗱
she
呢達咧
does not
佢
want
太愛啦，但係呢啦，所以咧佢安排佢哋會見面嗰時，佢仲加開心。
Eh? But Lalita Devi also not completely, absolutely controlled to Krishna.
但係啦呢達咧佢有種咧都可以自己親自同佢非常相見嘅，所以佢都唔可以完全咁樣控制到 Krishna。
Lalita is very talkative and very powerful also.
喺
She
呢達
is
咧
chastisement
係非
to
常之
Krishna.
非常之誒
She gives instruction to Srimati Radhika also.
佢好刁蠻，我哋會用刁蠻咁樣，其實有啲負面，但係佢係正
So
面
many
嘅。
glorifies our Lalita Devi, Lalita
所以
Stha.
我哋呢個 Swami 佢都係讚美啊，嗱呢啲機會啊，中意佢啲品質。
Drishte Vajandatana Tamusishtu Bhammang Ma Dakshina Bhav Kalankini Lagavaya. When Srimati Radhika she did man, then Lalita Devi, she is giving the instruction. Hey Lalita, hey Radhe, you have to keep your man. Don't
咁樣 Krishna 咧，佢會同人哋其他啲女仔玩啊
that
嘛，
means don't you give
遲
up
到
your
咗啊嘛，嗱就嬲，唔想見佢。咁啦呢度仲提醒佢，你唔使理佢㗎，一陣間嚟到你咧睇都望都唔使望佢，
because
只會走。
Krishna is very drishta, very
咁咧
and
嗱呢度三姐同啦達拉尼蘇講話，你知唔知啊 ？Krishna 係好嘅古
let
惑。
him to cry.
佢好古惑啊！佢咁花心啊，由得佢去喊算
When
啦，唔係
Srimati Radhika did man, Krishna tried to suspect Srimati Radhika.
佢有時咧，嗱，大家嘅嘢鬧嗰時咧，Krishna 咧就會過嚟安慰。
Then Srimati Radhika,
嗱，大家你唔使
she
佢。
closed her door of Kunja.
嗱呢度咧亦都係叫佢唔好使佢。咁啊，嗱，大家咧就話將個潘著嗰個花園嘅門咧都閂埋，唔俾呢個人。
Jat Kinkrisu Bhusu Khalu Kaku Vani Gittang Parasa Purusa Sikhanda Moli Jissa Kada Rasandi Visavanu Jaya Tat Kali Kunji Bhavanangana Marjani Sam. Prabhudananda Saraswati Bhagi.
呢啲係婆婆啦，能夠殺衰。
Srimati Radhika she did man and closed her
是
door of Kunja. Kunja.
佢咧就咧係將個門咧係閂咗啦。嗱，大家呢？
Who is outside of the Kunja? Then Srimati Radhika's
咁邊個喺度守門咧？
Manjari Rati Manjari.
就係咧，嗱，大家呢嗰啲女僕啊，啲文家連佢哋啊。
And Krishna praying.
咁 Krishna 就求呢啲女僕。
Hey Rupamanji, please give me permission to enter in the
你話
Kunja.
文家連，文家連俾我入去啦，請你通知下或者係點樣？
Hey Rupamanji told Govinda not possible.
你話文家連話嗰邊啊，你知唔知啊？根本就唔會冇有機，即係話冇有機會㗎，你走算啦。
So saying, Jatkingusu Bhusu Khulu Kakuvani, Krishna is very humble. Fold his hands and again and again, bow down his forehead of the Sakhijan Mandir.
入 Kinkari Supahuda Karawani 就表示咧，佢對呢啲 Kinkari 啊，對呢啲僕人啊都係頂拜佢啊，求佢哋啊，摩利嘅靈海足啦，俾我入去啦，幫下我啦，我去見下得啦。
But they did not
佢哋
listen
睇都唔睇。
any prayers of Krishna.
因為有啲黑客咧係啲萬物之你都唔會聽 Krishna 啲話。
And Srimati Radhika is looking from the small windows.
咁啊，拉達拉尼喺入邊係睇下佢哋喺度做咩度講緊乜。
And Krishna is very humble, tears.
呢一刻咧，佢係嬲啊！佢見到佢好所以佢都唔想見到佢，亦都唔俾佢入。
Srimati Radhika's heart melted. She is thinking, no, Krishna had to come.
後尾見到佢都拜咗佢啲僕人啊、女僕啊，所以佢都覺得想俾佢入。
Karunam kurumai karuna bharite. Srimati Radhika is the embodiment of compassion.
因為拉達拉尼其實個心係好軟嘅，佢係屬於喺憐憫之化身。
So she is thinking, oh, maybe Krishna come in my kunja. Because
佢話咧可能算啦，原諒佢啊，等
he
佢
is
入嚟。
crying and he is paying.
佢咧而家真心喺度喊，同埋咧求咧，即係話原諒佢咁樣。
But Lalita Devi, inside, Lalita Devi chastisement to Srimati Radhika.
拉達拉尼有少少心，應該就拉呢得就話：你做咩啊？你呢個唔老實嘅女仔，你而家又想變心啊？
Dhrishta
想俾佢入嚟。
Brajandatam, Dhrishta Brajandatam, Tumsushtu Brahmam. He is a big cheater, pretender.
但係你知唔知啊？佢係一個係好大嘅騙子啊！唔使睬佢。
Understand? Lalita Devi, she is giving instruction to Srimati Radhika.
所以你要知佢甚至係拉達拉尼嘅老師啊！
A big pretender.
佢咧，你唔使睬佢啊！
Understand? Only shedding tears, this is not true.
但係咧，其實咧，你喊咩啫？唔使喊係有得佢嘅。
So Dhrishta Brajandatam, Tumsushtu Brahmam. You have to keep your man.
你自己咧應該好好咁樣 keep 住你呢個怒氣啊！等佢見到你係喺度發緊嬲，我見到佢咧，你心軟。
And this thing. Then Krishna is crying.
咁
No
佢
one
就喺度
listens.
喊啊！
Then Krishna is thinking, what will do now?
咁咧，Krishna就諗住點算好啊？
Because no any Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, no Lalita, no Vishakha, even not Rupanjali, no one, then no one is facilitated.
而家咧係佢想求邊個都唔得啦，因為點解啦？大家你唔使佢啊，即係啦，呢度仲得勁，仲得叫佢哋唔使佢。咁啲文章你又唔講佢，咁 Krishna 咧就喊得好凄涼嗰個。
Then Krishna left that place, coming on the bank of Jamuna.
咁咧 Krishna 唯有咧就走咯，去咗個Yamuna 後邊。
Pune Visada Vrasta Murari. Then Krishna is very unhappy and very sad, upset. What to do?
咁 Krishna 諗住
Then
點
Krishna
算
is
好
sitting
嘅？
on the bank of Jamuna.
咁佢就坐喺呢一個Yamuna 河邊。
Krita papam dosam. He's thinking this is my fault. Krishna is
咁
thinking.
咧 Krishna 諗住肯定係我嘅錯，如果唔係都得唔到原諒嘅。
What is the fault of Krishna?
Krishna 有咩錯咧？
Because Krishna told to Srimati Radhika that this night I have to meet with you. But Krishna did not come.
Krishna
Krishna
同
went
Radharani
in the
又好
kunja
咗。
of Chandraval.
又好咗之後咧，佢行到半路咧就俾人哋捉到佢啊！
So now Krishna is repented his own faults.
咁佢咧同另外一個情人一玩嗰陣時候玩到唔記得翻嚟呢度，所以佢而家 Krishna 就係自己後悔咯。因為我哋第一個月好咗啲人走
And
去第二
sitting
個嗰度玩
on
到
the
唔記
bank
得
of
時間，
Jamuna.
所以佢自己喺度後悔緊，
Bank of Jamuna.
喺個日本河邊。
And what is Krishna thinking what will do?
咁 Krishna 就諗住而家點算好
In
咧
the？meantime, Vrindadevi she came.
咁佢呢個時候咧，Vrindadevi嚟咗。
Vrindadevi, she done some favor of Krishna. Then Krishna
咁
was
Vrindadevi 咧，雖然佢都係沙田嘅情感，但係佢係偏向 Krishna。照你話呢就係女朋友情感，但係佢
Then
偏向
Vrinda asked Krishna, what happened? Today was so much more unhappy.
咁啊，Vrindadevi 就話 Krishna 點解你今日咁唔開心，坐喺度咁悶啊
Then Krishna told everything honestly. Oh, this is my fault.
？Krishna 就話個過程係咁樣嘅，
I
其實
told
我
to
知道
Srimati
呢啲係
Radhika I
我嘅
have to
錯。
meet with her kunja, but on the way Chandravali Sakhi Padma, she brought me in the kunja of Chandravali.
Krishna 話咧，我同拉達拉尼有好多相見嘅但係咧，我行到半路嗰陣時咧，赤咗你個女嗰
So
個女僕
whole
咧
night I
拍埋咧就帶咗我去見佢嘅女子嘅。
first in the kunja of Chandravali.
咁變成成晚我都喺佢嗰度同佢咧 一齊咯咁樣。
Then last, then I arrived in the Kunj of Srimati Radhika.
咁差唔多天光嗰時，我先去到啦達拉尼嗰度。
Srimati Radhika, she was waiting for me. This is true.
咁
And she
達拉
also
尼
decorated
喺
the
度
Kunj
等
very
我，
nicely.
佢都喺嗰個花園嗰度咧
Because
係
Krishna
裝
promised.
飾到一齊到好靚好濃密啊，同埋咧好適合佢哋
Hey
啲嗰
Radhe,
種愛情啊
I
情
can
感。
arrive your Kunj.
咁後尾佢話我去到嗰度嗰陣時，
So Krishna told, I did not go, for this is my fault.
因為我入唔到嘅，其實呢啲都係我嘅錯嚟嘅。
Krishna honestly told Chandra,
Come,
Krish
Krish.
Vrindadevi Vrinde.
Krishna 咧就同滿達啲女人就表白咗佢點解一齊係咁樣嘅。
Then Vrindadevi told, yes, of course, I can help you. How, again, you meet with Krishna.
咁滿達啲女就話我會幫你啊，你一陣間咧我安排你同阿拉達拉尼見面啦，咁你而家唔使咁傷心啦。
Then some hope manifested.
咁樣 Krishna 即刻就好開心咯，佢有少少希望咁樣。
Then then Krishna told Vrinde, tell to me, how can I meet with
咁啊 Krishna 話你有咩辦法咧？我可以見到佢嘅。
Then Vrindadevi she told, okay, you completely surrender to me, then I can tell you.
阿滿達啲女話你咧完全咁樣歸依我咧，我就會帶埋你去見佢啦。
Then Krishna said, okay, now I am completely surrendered to you.
Krishna 話好啦，
Whatever
我
you
就
say, what will do, I can do
你
everything.
我完全咁樣聽歸依就表示聽從嘅意思。你叫我做乜我都做。
Then Vrindadevi told, okay, first you give up your 3 and 4, Trivanga.
咁咧，滿達啲女就話你唔好食，即係話三幅嗰姿態企住咧，唔
You
好
have to
有呢
become
條。
completely straight.
咁樣直接咁企住。
Understand? Then Krishna, okay.
Krishna 話好啊，聽你話。
Then what will do? Okay, you give up your pickup feather.
咁咧，你應該咧嗰啲笛啊，同埋啲講出布都唔要帶嘛，呢啲裝飾品唔要啦，
Give me your flute.
全部都俾我咁樣。
He said, oh, how possible? I said, yes. If you
Krishna 話
surrender
咧，
to what I am
支
saying,
笛
you
係
have to
我啲
follow
武
my
器嚟㗎，如果俾咗你咁點啊？
Huh? Then Krishna told, okay, take my flute and
不過咧，我都會俾你啊，見你係幫下我。
then Vrindadevi, okay, another thing. You take the dress of saffron cloth dress, sannyas.
咁呢後咧咧，嗱滿達啲女話咧，你要換咗一套咧叫紅色、橙紅色嘅衫，即係好似嗰啲上一時嘅衫，同埋呢剃埋光頭添啊。
Then Krishna said, how possible? I said my very nice.
Krishna 話要同佢剃埋光
Yes,
頭。
if you want to meet with Srimati Radhika, you have to.
滿達啲女話：如果你想見佢咧，你就要剃頭㗎。
Very difficult, huh? But Krishna is thinking, if you greed coming,
之後咧，咁點啊？你制唔制啊？
you have to do everything.
咁你呢個都已經話歸依我啦，而家仲
But Krishna greed is you have to meet with Srimati Radhika.
咁啊，Krishna 其實都真係好想見拉達拉尼。
Then very quickly Krishna saved his way.
Krishna 咧就係啊，剃咗光頭啦，換咗一套上一時嘅衫褲啦咁樣。
Then Vrindadevi got some very nice beautiful fallen, golden fallen of the lotus.
咁咧，滿達啲女咧亦都係攞咗啲蓮花金色嘅蓮花咁。
And then Krishna's body complete smeared and covered
之後咧，
with
金
the
色
golden.
蓮花嗰啲唔係佢係攞咗啲蓮花嘅花粉，即係搽咗佢成身咁樣，變成咧 Krishna 成身都係嗰啲。
Inside black, outside completely are golden.
佢咧成個咧都係金黃色咁樣，搽塗到黃細色咁。
Now Krishna is as like Vijay.
咁而家咧就成個好似啲上一時個樣咧係嚟咗啦，
Sannyas dress, lower coffin. 因
因為佢哋而家皮膚都係金黃色㗎啦，係咪？
And Vrindadevi also, what you do? Take one, which is called Manjira, Khanjana.
咁咧之後咧，佢就叫佢咧攞埋呢個即係話啲唔係呢啲樂器啊。
Then what you do? Now you learn one very nice, beautiful song.
同埋咧，你咧攞呢樣樂器咧，同埋要唱一首歌。
Well, what is song?
邊一首歌咧？
Hey Radhe, now Krishna took sannyas for your love.
咁你係嗱啲而家 Krishna 做咗三件事就為咗你嘅愛㗎嘛。
Now Krishna is completely renounced person.
Krishna 已經係一個咧去絕症㗎嘛，
Just to sing this song.
就咧就淨係唱呢首歌就得㗎啦。
Tomorrow lagia Krishna loila sannyas.
咁咧佢話他媽啦嘅就嗰時係為咗你嘅愛，所以咧 Krishna 已經做咗三件事啊。一係三件事我會愛到佢哋㗎嘛。
So now then Krishna very nicely learned this song
咁 Krishna 咧就好好咁樣學識唱呢首
and
歌啦，
singing this song
就唱呢首歌。
and come very close
之後咧
to the kunjas
就
of
去到
Srimati
咧
Radhika.
拉達拉尼嗰個花園嗰度。
Now Krishna is who is he?
Krishna 而家係一個三件事啦，係咪？
Very nice, beautiful, golden
非常之
complexion.
靚啦，佢呢
Shape
個樣
is eight
都咁靚，但係咧佢而家仲係金黃色嘅添，仲加靚。
and shedding tears.
同埋着埋呢個咧係三件事啲衫褲啊，
Chanting this song.
同埋咧唱呢首歌又係假，即係話玩緊呢啲樂器。
He Radhe tomorrow lagia Krishna loila sannyas.
所以佢就話：嘿嗱，即係話為咗你嘅愛咧，Krishna 已經係做咗三件事。
And now Krishna is singing around the kunjas of Srimati
咁
Radhika.
Krishna 咧而家喺拉達拉尼嗰個觀者旁邊嗰度就唱呢首歌。
This song Srimati Radhika sing from her kunja.
咁啊，拉達拉尼聽到哦咁好聽啲歌，邊個喺度唱？
Srimati Radhika cannot tolerate, but who is singing this song?
佢邊個唱呢首歌咧？啲聲音咁好聽。
I want to listen this song.
佢話我想聽呢首歌。
Separation mode song.
佢話呢啲好似好，即係話好呢
Krishna
個人
is
咧
sannyasi
唱呢
and
就
shedding tears.
呢首歌係唱緊同我有關㗎，但係就表示佢未記咗我就好大嘅歡喜情感，所以拉達拉尼就想去俾仁慈咁。
Then Srimati Radhika, he cannot tolerate.
咁啊，拉達拉尼就無法忍受呢種情感咯。
Srimati Radhika cried.
咁拉達拉尼就開始喊啦。
Srimati Radhika she recited this verse, last verse of 6th chapter.
咁咧，拉達拉尼
What
就
is that? Wait,
which one?
Last one.
阿斯利夏，阿斯利夏。
Asrisva Padma, Krishna Mama, Darsana, Mata, Prabhu, Korotva.
Yata
Yatha Tatava Vidadhatu Lampati Mananastastu So Evam Naparaha. Asrisva
咁呢個
Padma.
係百分居嘅第8首詩，其實呢詩之前你哋應該學識嘅，會嘅。咁咧呢首詩
I don't know anyone except Krishna.
前兩日馬布嘅對佢話：我咧除咗 Krishna 之後，我邊個都唔會接受。
He impressed to me or
咁咧其實 Govinda Krishna 佢擁抱我又得。
Asrisva. Asrisva embraced.
Ashley.
Embraced. He embraced me
擁抱我都得，
or kicked of me
或者係咧
or
推
rubbed
我
in
都
his
得，
feet.
推我都得。
Vidadhatu. Then, Yatha Tatatu. What does he want?
而家睇到諗法都，因為我知道佢係一個花心大
Even
師。
his Dabuchi is to be nonsense, no harm. He's
佢咧
fine.
係一個花心大師，佢係個花花公子嚟嘅，所以佢而家就算喺我面前嘅諗即係擁抱緊啲其他女性或者係女朋友，我都覺得我係唔會做。
Asrisva Padaratan Pinustuman Morma Autumn. Maybe he give me so much pain in my heart. No.
甚至咧，佢可以令我個心好幸福啊，擁抱我，而或者係咧，佢喺我面前咧，佢擁抱其他啲女朋友，令到我好傷心。但係咧，唔理點都好，佢都係我生命嘅指引，我冇有其他人。
When Krishna Sannyasi is singing this song,
咁佢成日係成日
Srimati
時
Radhika cannot
心底咧唱到呢首歌，拉達拉尼就諗住，哦，
then Srimati Radhika said,
拉達拉
Hey
尼，
Lolite,
嗱呢啲。
call to that Sannyasi, I want to listen to this song.
嗱呢啲你去將呢個細呢時請過嚟，我想咧去聽佢唱呢首歌，我想見佢。
Lalita Devi, he called, hey Sannyasi Thakur, come.
咁咧嗱呢啲都要話，哦聖人啊，你快啲過嚟呢邊啊！嗰啲唱究竟係唱到邊首？邊
Now
歌？
Sannyasi Thakur, Krishna disguised in a form of Sannyasi.
而家呢個係 Krishna 嚟㗎，知唔知？所以佢咧就好開心，我聽
Then
到。
Krishna, no, no, I am sannyasi. I don't want to speak with any lady. I don't
咁啊
want to
，Krishna 話咧，而家我係一個散家士，所以冇人會同啲女性接
I
下
am
同或
perfect
者同佢
sannyasi. I
哋
don't
傾偈。
want to talk with any lady.
其實我都唔想同啲任何女性咧靠近或者係傾偈嘅，
I am Nastik Brahmachari.
因為我係咧係別生自愛嘅一個咧
I
去
don't
直
want to speak with any
去
lady.
散家
Hey,
士。
go, go, go.
我唔想同你哋傾偈，
Let
你
him
自走啊！
do bhajan sadhana to me.
冇影響我啲靈修。
Eh? But Lalita Devi said, hey, sannyasi, please come.
嗱呢度啲會話：哎呀，散家士，我個女朋友好想識
Srimati
你。
Radhika, she is feeling so
佢
much.
啊，拉達拉尼咧好想咧同你哋唱。
Maybe you can specify to her. This
佢
song
咧
she
而家有
wants
痛
to.
苦啊，所以話唔定咧，你唱到呢啲歌咧，佢會開心啲嘅。
But Krishna told, no, no, I don't want to see in the face
Krishna
of
話：
any lady.
我根本就唔想去睇啲任何女仔嘅面啊！
But Lalita Devi again said,
阿 Lita 咧就搏命咁樣叫佢啊，
okay.
佢話：你應該過嚟見我哋嘅女朋友。
Then my Sakhi, she is so much feeling pain
因為咧，
in her heart.
我個女朋友咧而家心情非常之唔好，所以咧你呢個
You are sadhu sannyasi, maybe you know
你係
some.
聖人啊嘛，
Mantras.
咁你可能咧識得睇命，即係幫人哋算命。
So please tell to me, my Sakhi, what is her fate?
究竟咧幫佢哋清下佢個命運係點樣？
And could you read?
你可唔可以同人哋咧即係睇手掌啊，或者算命啊，或者嗰啲啊？
Then that Sannyasi Thakur Krishna, who is getting the permission. No, 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 I'm Sannyasi. I don't want
佢話
to
我係散家士
read
啊
the，
我都唔想去睇啲任何女人嗰啲命運點樣，唔關我事。
Lalita Devi, please come.
但係呢一刻其實我哋大家應該知道咧，一拉大個心啊，
Actually, Krishna is very eager to come, but suddenly you don't know.
我後會咧扯咗 Krishna 走。嗱 Krishna 呢一刻嘅心情就係話咧係好想去見，但係咧因為咧就居於呢個身份，所以咧佢就唯有咧就藉口話唔去。嗱拉達而家嘅心情咧就係扯到佢走之後，而家好痛苦嘅。
So Srimati Radhika, she informed to Lalita Devi informed to Srimati Radhika. They want sannyasi has come. He's very
咁
perfect
你叫
sannyasi.
埋佢之後咧，佢就阿呢家啲嘢就同拉達拉尼話：係啊，呢個晒呢個事實
He
嘅。
will read your palm and he will be explained what is your good fate.
佢話我睇你嘅手掌咧，之後會話俾你聽啊，你係屬於邊一種命運嘅人啊？
But Srimati Radhika, no, no, I don't want to meet with any sannyasi.
拉達拉尼話我點樣俾我啲手俾啲出家人咁，我同埋去睇我啲手掌咧。
But Lalita Devi, she told Krishna, please read
拉
her
達
palm. But Krishna told, no, no,
拉呢度咧就話你幫我睇下，幫我睇下。
I can read forehead of the lady.
咁經常話我唔會睇手掌，我淨係識得睇佢額頭。
Srimati Radhika, when Srimati Radhika told, no, no, I want to see my face to.
拉達拉尼話我手掌都唔俾你睇啊，仲想睇我嘅額頭啊，冇可能嘅。
Then Lalita Devi, she specified to see Radhika.
咁啊，嗱呢家啲嘢又
This
說
sannyasi
服咗拉
perfect
達拉尼。
sannyasi, very nice.
佢呢啲咁嘅出家人咧，好純潔嘅，根本你就唔使擔心咁多
Just
嘢，你就俾佢
once
睇
you。then open your veil,
你咧將你啲面紗咧咁揭起身之後，俾佢睇下你個額頭，睇望一眼就 O K 啦。咁你唔使咁
you understand
執
veil
着
or not?
Yeah.
Then cover the.
即係啲面紗咧好薄，其實就係
And then you close. Just sannyasi once see your forehead.
咁
Then
佢
he
見
can
到你個額頭
calculate.
一眼咧，即刻你就會冚翻隻頭咁樣。
Then Srimati Radhika finally said, okay.
拉拉呢話咁，如果係咁樣答話就 O K 嘅。
Then Srimati Radhika came.
咁佢哋咧
outside
就
the Kunja
拉達拉尼就出嚟見佢咯。
and sit in one chair. Krishna sitting
佢
one.
坐喺嗰度，佢哋大家即係邊人坐喺張仔，
Face covered with the veil.
阿達拉尼就完成嘅咧，即係俾個面紗望住個塊面。
Then Lalita Devi put to Radhi just one second.
咁嗱呢啲 David 咧就攞起嗰個揭起個面紗之後俾佢
This
睇。
sadhu will read your forehead.
之後咧佢話咧就係呢個咧好似人哋着婚紗咁樣好薄嗰種咧有啲透明啊。之後咧佢就揭起身俾佢睇。
Then Krishna seated and Radharani seated. Then just
They
once
don't-
Krishna.
咁坐住。
Hey, just one moment. Srimati Radhika open her
Face.
Then Krishna's eyes completely what? Captivated. Eh?
咁樣啦，啦，你個面紗一揭起咧，咁樣 Krishna 嗰兩隻眼咧就盯實佢，即係話睇望實佢佢塊面。
And Srimati Radhika, she saw Krishna beautiful form, or Krishna saw Srimati Radhika.
咁呢一刻咧係兩個人都彼此係望到對方啊，咁即係有咗打神。
Then actually what happened? When they see to each other, they complete they also fainted to each other.
其實佢哋兩個望到之後咧，彼此都已經喺呢個極度嘅渴望之中咧，突然間見到嗰陣時，即係入邊消化唔到，所以兩個都暈低咗。
Then Radha Krishna again they met together.
後尾佢哋兩個人醒翻嗰陣時，兩個人咧就開始一齊咧又見面啦。
Vrindavan Vihari Lal Krishna manifested three and four and Srimati Radhika make it.
即係話而家呢個都係啲女朋友嘅幫手，咁佢哋兩個係有結婚。
I am saying this, but only Srimati Radhika she can control.
點解講呢啲超越咧？就係淨係阿達拉尼嘅情感先可以令到非常頂唔順咯。
Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Nice way.
Maharaji, you will continue this.
So now coming in this Bhava Rupa, spiritual sentiments.
所以咧，而家我哋就頭先講嗰啲其實都係情感嚟嘅，情感嘅控制啊，明白？頭先都係屬於。
There are three internal symptoms and
No, you say the 5 and 7.
8 external symptoms of Bhava. Khantravartakartam Vrittimana Sannada Savanda Samatkanta Namadani Sudari Asakta Gunanukani Vritta Vasati Staritta Surarjo Bhavam Puriyan.
重複講呢個9種啊外在㗎，因為佢有咗到發酵呢個情感嘅時候咧，佢係有9種，即係好平靜，好唔得閒，1分鐘都唔想嘥，同埋仲有品味，咪又唱又跳啦，又叫又喊啦。
Three internal symptoms of Bhagavad Prapti Lalasa.
咁咧呢3種咧就係頭先琴日講㗎咯，即係咧咁樣好想好渴望咧去做服務嗰種咧，有朋友關係啦。
Then Anukulamai Chista, all the endeavors with the purpose for
即係成日都係想做翻有益佢神嗰啲嘢，即係不停咁樣想要去服務啦。
So now coming in this is Bhava may be divided into two aspects, that is called Sthai Bhav, that is called permanent sentiments of 1-5 and primary relationship of Santa Dasa Sakka Vatsalya and Marriage.
呢個 style 基本咧係5種關係嘅之一，5種情感之一啊。
One Sthai Bhav.
一種叫做
And others Bhavs just also to help to have all the mood will be more increased.
咁咧有咗呢種之後咧，就又有其他嗰啲情感會出現。
Then Sanchari Bhav, internal and transitory emotions which arise like waves from the ocean of the sky.
上車呢 part 嘅其實就好似海中嘅海浪咁樣，一個又一個咁，一個又一個，即係一種情感突咗出嚟之後咧。
Actually, if you want to know more this, need this how the bhavas are different.
即係大家應該去知道呢啲嘢，之後都要。
How Sthai Bhav manifested.
咁西方係點樣出現？喺個三個。
That is called Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattik, Daicha. Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattik and Daicha. 4 ingredients.
佢有另外仲有4。
Then Vibhav also took.
Vibhav 又有2種。
That is called Visay, Alamban and Uddipan. Alamban, shelter,
呢啲係叫做阿蘭邦同埋
Understand? Then Visay, Alamban and Uddipan. Alamban again two, that is called Visay Alamban and Asray Alamban.
會寫阿蘭邦同埋咧阿寫阿蘭邦，其實呢啲係喺個阿蘭邦度咧。
Asra Alamo, the devotee of God.
咁呢一種咧係屬於係 Krishna， 一個咧就係奉獻者。我哋食阿蘭棒面，
Aluminum center.
哦，呢啲係叫做咧庇護阿蘭棒，就係呢一種咧係主要㗎，即係話嗰個愛嘅對象嘅庇護同埋一個去愛嘅人。
So Krishna is always
佢哋會晒啊阿蘭棒同埋阿斯瑞阿蘭棒。
Srimati Radhika, she is called.
That's right.
但係呢啲屬於係去愛佢㗎，Krishna 係俾愛㗎。
But when the prem is coming, what for? That time also sometimes also change.
而家已經係到咗咧係 prem 呢種程度咯，等於係咧嗰啲情感喺入邊嗰度出現㗎，我哋而家唔明㗎啦，聽下先啦。
So Alamban, Uddipan.
咁之後咧，烏啲朋友，烏啲朋就係即係好似激發我哋去記得啊，或者係激發
So
我哋情感，
Vibhav, Anubhav, Sati, Vyabhichari, many things are there.
刺激到啲情
Tell
感。
to you something. If I tell too much, very difficult to digest. Actual prem manifested one's heart with 49 types of ingredients. Then prem manifested.
其實咧有咧49種唔同嘅情感出現咧，咁嗰個循環就會出現。
And now listen. Maybe one day you will be understand.
之後咧，而家去聽咁樣，
49 types of ingredients.
咁到時咧有呢種情感嗰陣時先會明白。49種情感都喺心中，我哋有時咧俾人哋鬧一句一種情感，我哋嬲到已經乜都唔記得啦。冇話49種嗰種感覺喺個心嗰度，所以呢個唔係我哋呢個身體會明白㗎。
So how many Sanchari
花
Bhava?
都已經
33
唔
types
係
of
呢個物
Sanchari
質
Bhava.
身體啦。所以咧之後咧就呢個啦，嗰個 Sanchari Bhava 有33種。
How many? 33. It is. And there are 33 Sanchari Bhava such as Nirbid, disparagement, Visad, despondency, Doino, desperation. These types of many kinds of Sanchari Bhava. How
呢
many?
啲比較微細啲，30種仲加微細啲嘅。佢呢啲你嗰陣時呢個心咧就好似一個大體，有冇啲情感出嚟
One Sanchari Bhava, how many?
？33
And Sai Bhav Rupa is again divided in two forms. Premo, Anukulla Rup, Premankur Rup, and another is called Prema Rupa.
而家係講緊呢個西花會分成兩種啊 ，Prem Anukul Rupa 同埋一個 Prem Rupa。
Premankur Rup, they are the sprout of the Prem, that is the Roti or Bhavadosha.
咁咧呢啲係屬於係一個循愛嘅芽嘅啫，仲未成長同埋開花。
After Asakti, then coming Roti. Roti means actual deep attachment.
呢度已經係到咗阿十 T 之後咧就 Rati 啦 ，Rati 就唔合。Oh, we miss one 嘅。
When this Roti more mature, actually that is called the Bhav.
其實阿塞 T 同埋 Rati 係一樣嘅，即係個深深嘅依戀表示有愛㗎啦，Rati 就係表示有愛嘅意思。
And when Roti completely matured, that is called the Prema.
當你呢個深深嘅依戀啊之後咧，同埋係處於呢個循序循
Even as I got a mango.
咁咧就有循環出
First
現。
is called a green mango,
開始嘅芒果咧係綠色嘅，
unripened.
就未熟㗎。
Then when the mango transfer the green color to
Yellow
a reddish color, and first coming a reddish color.
佢係紅色芒果。
That is called the half ripened, not completely ripened.
咁樣就紅色嗰陣時咧就未。
When the same mango is completely, absolutely ripened, then also change color,
Yellow
color change.
咁樣熟咗咧都變成紅色。
Saffron color to
Yellow 加綠，
completely yellow or golden color.
即係金黃色嘅。芒果咧係綠色，之後粉紅色，之後咧先至係金黃色。
This is a mango, first mango, what did you see?
個芒果咧開始嗰陣時咧見到係綠色嘅，之後咧係有少少粉紅色嘅。
Very nice, I like single color, very nice. Then when completely ripened,
之後咧然之
then
後
also
熟咗
golden
咧
color.
就係金黃色嘅啦。
In the same way, we have discussed these things. Prema different stage.
所以我哋咧就講緊呢個
Oh,
循環咧，佢都係。
and attachment, then deep attachment, that's called
深深
bhav
咁樣
coming,
依戀啊，之
then
後咧
coming prema.
之後先至係咧叫做 prema 呢個概念。
So for this regard, I have explained the sprout of prem, that's called roti. Then roti mature, that's called bhav.
即係呢個深深依戀其實咧同個拉天，what's the difference asakti and the rati？
Asakti, that is called attachment.
So it's not
And
deep.
roti, more deep attachment. Everything attachment is more
So Maharaj, this here we should add rati。
roti.
即係咧，我哋係 miss 咗一個 rati 咁樣。asakti 咧其實係深深依戀咧，仲加咧依戀到頂尖嗰陣時先至拍咁樣。
Asakti general word. Asakti means attachment. And roti means deep attachment. More attachment,
So you
more.
one more rati, we mix one rati。
Right? Then bhav coming. Bhav dasha. Bhav
即係
dasha is
你
one.
哋喺個本嗰度咧寫埋個 rati 喺嗰個
See,
包之前面。
internal
北
symptoms
誒
and
擺
mind.
第八點嗰度咧，變成你有個第。叫做 rati。但係你呢個兩個數字要搞鬼馬搞。
Asakti and bhav middle, that is called roti.
係啊，咁樣先嗰成日。
Okay, now coming in this way. Then now coming to the prema rupa.
之後我哋咧而家講緊 prem rupa 啦嚇，
Yeah, this is the last point.
即係最尾一個點嚇。
Prema is the developed through
呢
the
啲係已
stage
經係
of
成熟嘅純愛啊！而家講緊呢個點。
prema rupa. When prema more developed, actually this is called siddha stage, prema.
如果係達到 prem rupa 嘅時候咧，呢個純愛嘅呢個風嘅時候咧，已經係斯達嘅身份啦，
Yeah?
永恆嘅身
Then
份。
many kinds also things coming. That is called sneha, man, prana, rag, anurag.
嗰啲已經超越咗 prem 嗰啲啊，嗰啲又係叫做愛，但係已經有唔同階段，佢啲法文先至可以表達到嘅。Sneha, pranayman。
Sneha means affection, so much affection.
Sneha 都係
Chitta
愛
Dravata,
意
your
啦。
heart
呢
completely
個 affection 嚟嘅代表咧點樣解釋咧？都講唔
Chitta
知。
Dravatata iti sneha. Sneha means your heart melted and tears falling down.
嗰啲係咁不斷咁樣流眼淚嘅，攬到自己愛嘅人都已經係眼淚好似
Just taking darshan to Krishna, their heart melted and tears falling down.
即係佢哋嗰種咧已經係好似
Yeah?
係嗰啲噴
And
泉
that
咁
time very
樣㗎。
difficult. Completely take darshan to Krishna.
佢哋望下 Krishna，
They got tears falling down. How to take darshan?
咁佢哋咧如果係想見 Krishna，但係又流眼淚，成對眼
This
都係
sneha
水咁。
completely manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika.
呢啲係拉達拉尼個心嗰度嘅
Yeah?
情
This
感。
sneha manifested in the heart of Nanda, Jasoda, even
咁
Subham,
咧有
Sridham,
相
Nanda,
打同埋
Jasoda,
嗰啲
Gopi.
咧望
But this sneha, absolutely
連
melted
朋友
in
關係都有呢種情感。
Srimati Radhika.
但係拉達拉尼個心咧就完全係遠嘅。
So sneha when coming, that automatically tears falling down.
咁如果係一個人心軟化嗰陣時，
But this is called the symptom of melted heart melted.
呢個我哋叫做心嘅軟化。
Yeah? So Srimati Radhika she told, I come to see to Krishna. How possible? When Krishna will come in
拉達
front
拉
of
尼
me,
話咧，我
they
想
might
見
tears falling
Krishna，
down.
但係咧，我想點見咧？見到佢，我即刻就流眼淚，眼淚咧就遮住我啲視力，所以我都見唔到佢，
যে কালে বা স্বপনে দেখিল সে চাঁদ
就
বদন
係見唔到佢就
সেই
得
কালে
見。
আইল দুই বৈরী আনন্দ আর মদন করিল মোর মন
因為仲有啲其他嘅敵人咧，仲阻住
চৈতন্য
我
চৈতন্য
睇。
কৃষ্ণদাস কবিরাজ শ্রীমতী
Krishna
রাধিকা
Das Kaviraj 個上面係其他嚟見
When
到我。
Krishna he appeared in front of me, I
佢
cannot
Krishna 出
completely
現喺
see.
我面前，第一時間呢啲眼淚已經遮住我啲眼視線啦。
And even my dream also, what to see?
之後咧，
যে কালে বা স্বপনে দেখিল সে চাঁদ
我
বদন
子內心嘅
There
快
are two
樂，
enemies coming.
兩個敵人。
What are the enemies? Tears.
誒嗰啲係眼淚啊遮住啦
And，so much love
同埋
coming.
咧好幸福
So I
嗰啲
think
感
how
覺
to,
啊，
what to do?
幸福嘅感覺咧喺個心入邊出現嗰時
Completely,
咧，
I
我已經
completely
係
intoxicated.
冇辦法咧完全咁樣去望佢，而係啲
How
投
to
追
serve,
投
how
追
to
嗰種幸福。
speak, how to they complete my all my this complete yours. Even my throat completely were choked.
咁嗰陣時咧，我完全咧講嘢講唔出，即係我即係冇法自己嗰種。
That time Srimati
你
Radhika
哋明
can
唔明
speak
呢度
anything,
冇
throat
法自己
completely
啊
were？
即係完全做唔到嘢啦，喐都喐唔到。
So যে কালে বা স্বপনে দেখিল সে দিগি চাঁদ বদন Sei kale aile dui boiri Ananda or Madan Haririla Mormon. And so much bliss, Ananda, happiness.
太過都係幸福啦，所以我啲冇辦法會做其他嘢。
Because he say Ananda or Chiradin Madhava Mandiramo. What kind of Ananda, please, happiness, please coming.
佢點解見到佢咧咁多啲幸福感啊，所以令到我根本就望都冇有嗰種
In this Bengali
集中力去
subject.
望佢。
Because Saki Ananda Mo.
太過虛心啊！
Chiradin
去咗虛心
Madhava
嗰個
Mandiramo.
嗰焦
Madhava
點嘅
always
虛
stay
心
in my
望佢。
temple of my heart, Hidai Mandir.
因為咧佢個心入邊嘅心廟係
I never open the door of my temple of heart.
個心廟呢個門咧從嚟都冇打
I
開。
close to him.
其實咧我都係對於佢嚟講咧，我係閂埋道門㗎。
আচর করিয়া যদি মানিক পাই তবু হাম পিয়ারে দূর দেশে না পাঠাই if anybody gives some lot of money to me and say give your beloved only couple days I will give you so much lot of money
如果人哋俾我好多錢咧，買翻我呢個情人咧去佢嗰度咧，
I
我都
don't
唔
want
會
to allow to him from the come out from my
因為咧其實我有三個道門係唔俾佢出去㗎，
I
即係我
always
將佢
keep
咧鎖喺我個
in
心
my
心廟嗰度。 知唔知有個心嗰度有個神廟咧？俾佢神。
আচর করিয়া যদি মানিক পাই তবু হাম পিয়ারে দূর দেশে না পাঠাই শীতের ওড়নি পিয়া গিরিশের বা My beloved Krishna is as like the blankets of winter and so much wrapped.
所以咧，我呢個愛人啊 Krishna 就好似咧係冬天嗰啲即
So
係
শীতের
嗰啲披肩
ওড়নি
咁樣啊，佢已經嚟即
In
係
the
話
winter time
維
very
持我
cold.
為實我。
What do you want?
因為我凍嗰陣時咧需要啲咩咧，我就需要咧呢個披肩。如果係去到俄羅斯或者其他國家好凍嗰陣，你點啊？就係
Snowfall.
ice
Snowfall.
ice cold。
Huh?
之後咧，如果係凍嗰
If
陣時，
you
你
have
會
one blanket you have
你嗰陣時咧，如果有呢條咧
and you
係
wrap your
純
body.
毛嘅嗰個披肩嘅話，你會點啊？好凍啊！
If I tell give your blanket, you say, no, how possible give you?
咁啊，如果我有呢條披肩嘅話，你話俾我啦。其實我自己都凍，我點會俾你啫？
Minus 10, minus 20.
佢有時咧係零下12度，零下20度。
Yeah?
其實我喺嗰邊6年都經歷過零下48度嘅，
That's the cold.
所以咧係好凍嗰陣時咧，你係會保持自己嘅溫度先啦。你覺得好凍咁？
If I tell give, no. So saying Srimati Radhika says, my beloved
即係
Krishna
拉達拉尼
as
對
like
Krishna
the
嚟講咧，
blanket
對於
of
佢嚟講咧，就好似嗰條披肩咁樣咯。
When
佢
Sitara
係凍到需要
Olympiya,
嘅，佢需要。
Bari Serva, Giri Serva. Giri means in the summer time, very sweet, gentle. Then breeze coming.
咁咧，好似咧 Krishna 亦都係啦，達拉尼和 Krishna 佢咧係
In the
炎
same
熱
way.
嘅夏天嘅清風啊，即係話好涼爽嘅清風咁吹過嚟咁樣。
Majdariyarana. Majdariyarana means in the middle of the ocean, only one lifeboat.
佢話咧，其實
You
咧
are sitting
達
on the
達拉尼
lifeboat.
而家喺
They
個
give you lifeboat.
海嘅中間嗰度咧，係真係垂死嘅時候咧
In the same way, my beloved
個手
Govinda.
有嘅一手點啦嚇，話講嘅
Very deep.
呢啲深啦。所以我哋咧平時講緊愛情就係男女性嘅關係，但係你睇而家聽明啦，呢啲叫做愛人。
Only expert, what is called? The
Diver.
huh?
Diver.
Driver.
Diver.
Diver.
Huh? Enter in the
Ocean.
deep of the ocean.
即係話就係嗰啲潛水，識得點樣潛水潛到大海底嗰啲人啊，你係會揾到啲海底
In
嘅。
the ocean, it is not expert suffer.
同埋咧一個呢一個咧尋寶識咧係點樣去尋寶嘅嗰啲
Surfer.
In the waves
Waves.
of the ocean.
Waves.
If not, then you will fall down.
Come on,
And you
let's
broke
do it.
your hands, legs, knees.
同埋嗰啲咧即係嗰啲係識得咧喺個海浪嗰度衝浪嗰啲啊，即係啲運動員啊，佢哋你要識得佢一個浪一個，你會覺得好開心啊！
If you have no
得
bhajan
到嗰種
chaturja.
幸福啊！如果你唔識所有咧，一個龍打過嚟，我哋就死咗啦。
Bhajan chaturja.
Just to
所
read.
以你一定要誇張下都知啊！嗰啲
Expertism of your bhajan and chaturja.
所以咧，我
cannot
哋
understand it. Just listening.
一個人咧，如果係淨係靈修咧唔得啊，淨係讀經典都唔得㗎，一定要有真正有呢種情感嘅沙度嘅靈兒先 OK 啊。
Bhakti-siddhanta Prabhupada told, honey inside the jar.
即係好似咧，先生啲Bhakti Prabhupada咁樣，我哋嘅老師講嘅話。
Goes with the seal, with the cup.
我哋係知道蜜糖啊，但係喺個樽嗰隻入邊裝住㗎，你係睇到望唔
But
到，
honey bee is
睇到
thinking, I will taste that the honey, but impossible.
因為呢個 smell 嘛啦。所以個樽嗰度咧，我哋係望到，但唔好話食到啊，
Because
聞
that
都聞到。
bottle or jar completed.
因為佢係誠實嗰個櫃。
Then outside you lick and lick.
即係如果冇有嗰啲真正熟悉呢啲情感嘅奉獻者咧，
You
係
have
陪
greed
我
coming,
哋
but you
去
are looking
品
inside
嚟
the
嘅咧，我哋淨係
honey.
食嗰個玻璃樽㗎。
You swipe her, falling
我
down.
哋成日都見到哇，真係好食，我成日想食啊！但係你食極都係食嗰個玻璃樽㗎咋。我以為我哋食到啊，所以有時我哋都覺得我哋自己食得其實唔係食嗰個玻璃樽。
If someone, what is called?
Opens the
Open the
lid.
佢話
cup and lid, then honey coming out, then
所以你一定要有啲人咧，翻嚟將個蓋咧打開咗，咁倒出嚟，我哋咧先可以飲到㗎。
yeah. So who will open? And
咁邊個會打開咧？同埋咧會食。
Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Jadi Kriyatanjali Kuto Bilapati Tatrabi Lula Mundam Janma Kati Sukhisamba.
嗰啲咪要有啲啊！
If you see one's heart full of Rasa Vrajapay,
如果係啲威士拿話咧，佢哋咧充滿呢啲溫單雲嗰種情感嘅話咧，
just surrender to him
我哋完全咁樣聽從佢，
and pay your greed.
完全咧咁聽從佢之後咧，我哋有呢個貪欲，佢要知道呢啲嘢。
Eh? So Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Madi Kriyatanjali Kuto Bilapati Tatrabi Lula Mullam Janma Kati Sukhisamba. According to Sukruti cannot attend.
咁
Just
咧呢啲其實都要按照我哋嘅虔誠嘅結果先得喎。如果我哋唔夠福報嘅話，都冇辦法聽到。
greed.
呢啲咧係要我哋嘅福報同埋咧有自己嘅貪欲先得。
Eh? Without greed, even greed will come also not.
我就
Not Sukriti.
Mercy, mercy.
mercy, security and greed three together。
Eh? Greed coming. But what I told, the greed coming.
Somebody has to open up.
所以一個人咧要有虔誠嘅祝福啦，同埋咧要有貪欲啦，之後仲要有
This
仁慈
mercy.
先至食
Mercy
到。
means one who opened the
Lid.
lid.
仁慈就表示咧嗰個蓋咧係打開俾揭開俾我哋去之後食到嗰
Who
啲。
will open the lid of the
咁邊個會幫我哋打
Krishna
開？
Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati, one's heart completely, absolutely
就係嗰種威薩話或者
full
咕
of
嚕。
Vrajapay.
Not only 咕嚕，威薩同埋咕嚕都係邊一個咧識得打開個蓋啊？佢哋個心即係表示佢哋個心都係充滿啲，充滿啲
Take out from the pot.
就好似一條奶球咁啊！你攞起身
And
咧，
also some rose juice
所
also.
有成個甜球咧，入邊出邊全部都係啲甜汁嚟。
Yeah? In the same way, one's heart full of Brajarasa.
如果一個人咧係有呢種瓜就拉沙拉達拉嘅情感嘅話咧，
And you listen,
咁你聽佢講課嗰陣時，佢哋會發出嚟嘅嗰啲紅外嘅光芒啊，即係嗰種甜汁啊。
and how much pay? Money, dollar, pound. But no, only pay your
所以咧
greed.
幾多錢
What
啊
is greed?
都
Listen.
買唔到㗎，只係要用自己嗰種咧即係講貪欲啊，
Yeah?
即係咧慾望啊。
Give your ears.
先至聽從。
Give your
俾
ears.
我哋咧就係咩咧都唔使咋，耳仔咋，右耳嚇，將嗰啲耳仔咧攞去俾佢。師傅啲都話你要淨係個耳仔咋。
Nipagada karnai. Nipagada karnai. Karnai means with your ears.
佢話咧
Listen
唔係其他嗰啲咧，淨係攞個耳仔咧，完全專心去
Attentively.
聽，
Every word, everything.
每一個字咁樣聽入去。
Eh? Then will be. This is the process.
咁樣咧就可以達到呢啲咁嘅情感啊！
Krishna Bhakti Rasa
呢啲就係一個程序。
Kutubi Labhati Tatravi Lula Munnam Janma Kadi Sukriti. According to Sukriti cannot attend.
所以咧，一個人咧有虔誠係得唔到嘅，有慾望都得唔到，但係咧一定要有慈善。
Only you need greed.
即係
I have
咧
to listen to this. I had to attain this.
你要有欲望，但都要有人治。
Not what is called pretending greed.
即係假㗎，就唔得。
No sajya bhav. Pretender,
Sajya
sajya they
表
also
示
greed,
虛
so
假
I
㗎
am
嘛。
I have greed. Actually, I have no greed.
即係點樣一個
The
人咧
real greed will come.
乜都唔知，可能成個心咧好純潔咁樣。第一次聽，可能佢哋都有疑惑。
If the real greed will come, then you have three symptoms.
個心係好簡單，又冇咩無物嗰啲咧，就好聽。
What are the three symptoms? You have to follow all the rules and regulations of the scripture. Vedic
但係
Bible.
咧，一定要咧跟翻嗰啲規則啊，要洗手啊，要食咩啊，公紅過未公紅過，全部都要分清楚啊！呢啲嘢全部都要跟隨㗎。
Second, you have to stay in Braj, Brajagarivash.
之後咧就要喺雲打雲嗰度啦。
Yeah? If you not physically stay in Braj, but you always stay in Braj, in your mind.
如果係一個人咧係唔可以咧親身喺雲打雲嗰度住咧，就一定要用個心成日都喺嗰度住。
Always associate.
之後咧最重要嘅就係
Let the people
就要有
and
啲成
try to
人咧
relate
連
first your constitution consultant.
佢哋咧可以咧令到你咧成明白呢啲㗎。咁慢慢我哋
Christian
咧就
Braje,
有咧我哋嘅靈性嘅身份。
Kannamar Gujarita, Disuputang Snadu, Ramana Manusi Jiju, Christian Braje, Tadanu Ragi, Jananu Dami, Kalam, May, Dakilam,
即係呢啲係第8首詩啊！其實呢啲大家都應該要記呢啲詩。第一時間咧，唔好聽 refrain 先，應明白前面嗰啲嘢，咁樣就 OK 啦。如果唔係聽咗 refrain 先，喊就喊兩下就冇啦。即係好似要大下睇睇啊，你基礎。
exalted, Rasik,
所以你一定要有啲拉線就充滿羅山啊，常食甘露嘅人咧，呢啲紅鏡子嘅人。
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Maybe your question will say, Mara, I am not qualified, unqualified. Why I am listening? Because this impression.
其實
The impression you will never destroy.
我哋可能覺得自己都冇資格，點解聽
You
呢啲？
understand or not?
聽
But
咗之後，你
impress
都
in
有
your
靈感啊、鼓勵。
eh? One day you will realize.
呢有一日咧，我哋咧真係
Because now we listen. You cannot understand. This is true.
聽到呢啲都唔明嘅，係啊，
Eh? You are very new.
大家咧都係
You
睇
don't
初級
understand. But just listening this katha, this will impress your heart.
呢啲咧就會咧留低嗰啲嘢印象。
Then when you will be mature, then one day you will be, Maharaj told this katha. Automatically.
咁咧有一日咧，下次咧真係感覺仲得深啊，覺唔中心嘅時候咧就話：哦，我曾經聽過。
Understand? Now you can understand. This is true. I know.
而家咧
Just to listen. So far, they can listen.
咁樣經常聽，
Eh? Because this is what impressed in you.
呢啲就係咧俾我哋啲印記咁嘛。
And this sanskar one day will be manifest.
咁呢啲印記咧喺度之後咧，下次咧就變成現
Eh?
實咯。
Previous life you did some impressions. Previous life you did impressions. Then now coming this life.
所以咧，其實呢啲係我哋前生積累嘅福報同埋啲虔誠嘅結果啊，所以咧我哋先有機會咧接觸到
Good, bad impressions coming. Because previous life
好
what
同
you
唔好
did,
嘅印象都
that
會有。
impression coming.
Now,
That impression manifest.
有啲嘢喺今世我哋可以接觸到咧，都係一種
When the small baby, maybe that time impression not manifested. When mature, then impressions.
啊！你
First
個
life
B B 講咗
impression.
啲啊，你點樣，佢聽到之後之後咧大個咗再講嗰陣時，佢就話細個嗰陣時都聽錯。
In the same way, you are as like baby, not understand.
而家我哋係
No problem.
baby
But impression come. One day when we mature, then
慢慢我哋會長大嗰時就
Still young.
唔係而家。
I want to know this song, Maharaj. What was this song that Krishna, when he is dressed as sannyasi, is singing to Radhika?
तुम्हारा लागिया कृष्ण
Tomorrow lagi ya.
तुम्हारा लागिया कृष्ण रही लसन Okay, good.
And the second one also, there was a second song.
會接受。
I think
이거
that
이거
was
사실이 아름다 올 지라디는 마음으로
인체는 지난啲仔。
佢買咗車飛先翻到，因為要去問。有電話咩？我你問一問。
所以我哋其實咧呢種情感咧係通常嚟講咧，我哋跟住佢實之後就唔會
呢個你食嚇？
就會因為我哋個